Oh,
That's a 0.
that's been the first 0.
That's a straight up 0.
It's like eating glass.
We do have the final taste test, which is 4 Loco purple flavor. So we're gonna wash these snacks down with this to upset our stomach even more. I don't know if this is grape or what this is.
Here, tell me to.
I'm gonna hold my reaction until they all have a sip, and then I will tell you how I feel.
All right, guys. Cheers.
That is awful.
That's really bad.
It's not grape flavored. It literally just tastes like cough syrup.